What's up, y'all? Good morning. Here we are back out on the bay. It's gonna be windy today. We got big winds today. They're saying 10 to 18 all day. I'm hoping they're wrong, but hey, well, that's how it goes. We're gonna still try. Parking lot's pretty empty. A lot of people are staying home today. Damn, camera's falling. All right, well, we're gonna go get some bait at J&P. Hopefully our luck's gonna be good today when nobody out here. But hey, that's how we're gonna go today. We're gonna try our luck. Hopefully we'll get a good one. All right, let's go get bait and we'll be back. Well, you guys, that was one hell of a ride. Man, I should have took some footage of that. But man, normally we're here in like 10, 15 minutes. And it took us almost a half an hour, 40 minutes to get here today. But all right, we're here. We're gonna get ready to get bait and we'll be right back. Good morning, man. Yes, sounds good. Oh, the cashews? Let me get the net. God damn, I'm all the time. Damn. That is a good sized shark though. All right, well, we found some calm water. Did one drift so far, got 4 sharks. The sun's about to break out, so we're gonna be happy for that. It's kind of cold out there. We're a little wet from all that craziness cutting across the bay. But shoot, we're gonna tough it out, see what happens. All right, it's pretty nice though. It's calm over here compared to over there. It was rockier than motherfucker. Striper. Oh, got a little
pull action. Good outside.
On. Ooh. On the hoochie rig. I don't know, that might be measurable. All right, let's see if we got a couple tacos.
Good job, everybody. Tough conditions today, but we did it. Good job, everybody. See you next week, I think.
Oh, it looks like he's gonna be a keeper. Yeah. 18. Yep, it's 19 and a half. All right, got a couple tacos.
Now it's time for halibut.
Yep. All right, first keeper. Oh, small little shaker. All right, at least we got something we were coming for. Calm down there, buddy. We'll be free in no time. Fish on.
Yep, there's one. Where are you?
Hold on. Take her. Yep, little shaker.
Still something. Gotcha.
Fuck.
Swallow it.
Hella swollen.
You saved it or no? In his gut already?
Yeah. Pull it. There we go. Oh, get the net. Never mind. It's a shaker. Damn, you're fighting bigger than you are. And another thing, if you put your hand right here, they'll stay calm. The halibut will stay calm if you keep your hand right here. Of course, you're gonna have to be flipped over. Like right here behind their fin right here. You keep a little bit of pressure right there, they'll stay calm. Off you go. Alright, well, we're back on the dock. Tough day fishing. Really windy out there. We took a chance. Didn't really pay off. But we did get quite a few shakers. 12, 15 shakers. And about 10 sharks today. But still have a little bit of fun. And that's how it goes sometimes. So until next time, peace. Tyler.